Have you seen my scarf? Let me get it.
What the heck are you doing in my swamp? My boys Rupert and Edgar are a bit hungry. They heard dinner just showed up. That's what happened to Gary when I tried to have him feed him. Come on, darling. Mind your step there. Let's not break that neck yet. All right, come on in. Come on. Y'all make one big long line here. It's okay. Come on, make one big line. It's okay. Come on over here. Yeah, there you go. Everybody fits. I just had the room stretched. All right, darling, you're here for the sewer tour.
Mm-hmm.
There's the sewer.
Okay.
That was your tour. Just come on with me. Watch this. Turn sideways. You'll slide right in. Come on. There you go. Look out, Mr. Sticky's watching for you. All by myself. Don't wanna be. Oh, wow. Hi! Do you come to be my friend?
Sure.
Yeah, you came to be my best friend?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on in. I'm so glad that you came because nobody ever comes to visit me. Come on in.
Okay.
It's just me and Henry down here. Say hi, Henry.
Hi, Henry.
Yeah, and our roommate, Mr. Sticky. Have you met my roommate, Mr. Sticky
I
yet?
haven't, no.
No? Should we call him? Let's call him.
Okay.
Mr. Sticky!
Mr. Sticky.
Yeah, help me call him. Mr. Sticky! He says hi.
Hi, Mr.
I mean, actually, what he said was, wow.
This is so good. That was incredible. This is a home haunt in Los Angeles, California, actually Van Nuys, called Spooky Hallows. I will put everything in the description below. Make sure that you check it out next year because they do an incredible job. I'll put the link to their information below, and also make sure that you subscribe, like this video, and check out the blog, thehauntgirl.com. Thanks for watching.